In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export and import Shopify products in bulk using a CSV file. We'll walk through the whole process inside your Shopify admin so you can quickly back up your products or upload a large batch all at once. This is especially useful if you're migrating from another store, making big catalog changes, or just want an easy way to manage product data in a spreadsheet. First, go ahead and log into your Shopify dashboard. Once you're in the main admin area, look at the menu on the left-hand side and click on Products. This is where all of your existing items live, and it's also where Shopify gives you options to export and import them. Let's start with exporting. At the top right of the Products page, you'll see a button labeled Export. Click on that. A pop-up will appear asking what you want to export. You can choose all products, the current page, products you've selected, or products that match a search or filter. You can also choose the CSV format Shopify recommends. When you're ready, confirm by clicking on Export Products. Shopify will then prepare the CSV for you. For smaller catalogs, your browser may download the file immediately. For larger ones, Shopify may email you a download link. This exported file is really important. It gives you the correct column headers and structure Shopify expects. You can open it in a spreadsheet editor like Google Sheets, Excel, or Numbers, make your edits, and then use it as the template for importing. Now, let's look at importing products in bulk. Back on the same products page in your Shopify admin, find and click the Import button. This opens a window where you can upload your CSV file. Click on Add File. Your computer's file browser will open, and you can select the CSV you've prepared or exported and edited earlier. Once you've selected it from your device, you'll see the file name appear in the import window. Next, click on Upload and Preview. Shopify will take a moment to read the file and show you a preview of what's going to be imported. This is your chance to double-check that the columns line up correctly and that the information looks right, especially for titles, prices, and inventory. If everything looks good in the preview, go ahead and click on Import Products to confirm. Shopify will then start processing the file and create or update products based on the data in your CSV. After the import completes, refresh your products page to review the new or updated items and make sure everything appears